Hi, this is Thomas from the Triax Academy. In this video I will show you how to install an endpoint in the wall mount and adding the cover plate. Afterwards I will show you how to remove the cover plate and uninstall the endpoint from the wall mount. This video will not describe the actual configuration of the endpoint. That will be shown in another video. I have now firmly installed my wall mount to the wall. I have connected my cables to the endpoint, and now I need to insert the endpoint into the wall mount. I will slide the endpoint towards the top so I interlock with the guides in top, and last I will press the endpoint in at the bottom so it will snap in with the lock. Next I will put on the cover plate. I will use the guides. The pins are going into these holes, and these locks will log in with these plastic parts. And now my cover plate is firmly attached to the endpoint. To remove the cover plate, I need to press my fingers into the groove going around the endpoint on both sides. Remember, I have 4 lock points. 1, 2, 3, and 4. To remove the actual endpoint, I will use my flathead screwdriver to pry up the lock in the bottom of the endpoint and slide it out. This completes the video on how to install the endpoint and uninstalling the endpoint. Thank you for watching.